Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to talk about two things. One is permission set group and how to create a permission set group and how to mute a permission set group. So let's understand what exactly is this permission set group. Permission set group. So basically the name itself says permission set and group. So basically collection of permission sets together is called permission set group. That's it. So let's say we have discussed about permission set in our one of our previous video. I recommend you watch it. What exactly this permission set is? Permission set is something which will gives us capability of accessing additional things like expanding access related for a specific group of people or specific users or for specific profiles. We will use permission set. So let's say if there are three permission sets, PS1, PS2 and PS3, if we are going to combine all together, that is called permission set group. So this is what exactly permission set group is. So let us try to put them in the actions. So let me end this here. Let us open this one, access related orgs. So once you open it, just click on here, go to setup. So basically setup is a place where we live. This is our place for admins and developers. Just go here, search for something called permission set. So basically what happens is, if you want to create a permission set groups, you need to have enough permission sets also. So I will try to create permission sets here if someone missed in any of the previous videos. So you will understand here what exactly the permission set is. So let's create three permission sets, or else we can clone one of them. For now, let us clone this one, sales. You can also create a permission set, sales cloud user PSG1. Click on yes. So if you see, we have created one permission set. And for service cloud user, let us create another one. For permission set group, second permission. So you can assume like that. And let's create a permission set. Like this is the custom permission set we can create here. Just we would be naming as PSG3 and click on save. So once you click on save, what happens is we will get these things. So in the permission set we are creating, I want to provide access to a specific object. Okay. So through permission set, you can give access to apps, connected apps, objects, app permissions, Apex classes, VF pages, external data access, everything, including system permissions as well. So just click on permission sets here, PSG3. So I'm going to give access to campaigns object. So I'm going to click on edit. And I'm going to make this tab available and give the permissions of read, create, edit and view all. And if I want to give access to specific fields, for now I will be creating for every field. And once you click on it, you click on save. So we have successfully created permission sets. So if you want to assign permission sets, you can click on here and you can add a user. So this is how you will assign a permission set. So just remove this and close this. Now our next concept is this is we have created 3 permission sets in this in this video. So they are basically PSG1, we have cloned PSG2, we have cloned, and PSG3. So we have created manually for campaigns object. This is for sales cloud user and service cloud. So these 3 are the permission sets we have created here. Now we will collectively add to a single permission set group. So I will show you what exactly it is. So just remove it, and then what I need to do is I need to click on search for something called permission set groups. This one. So create a new permission set group, which is test permission set group for learning. So click on save. So when I click on here, so if you see, you can add permission sets to this group. You can mute the permission sets in the group, and as a combinedly you can give additional access as well. Let me click on here, permission sets. And I'm going to add 3 permission sets here. We have created 3, PSG3, PSG2 and PSG1. So just I have added. So 3 permission sets were added here. So this is basically how you can create a permission set group. And if you want to remove, you can click on here and you can click on remove. So in this way you can remove a permission set from the permission set group. So ideally the concept is, let me show you this one. Duplicate. Users. It is my profile. Let me click on permission set. PSG1, PSG2 and PSG3. PSG3 already added. So just click on this, remove this. So if you see, these are the 3 permission sets that we are adding. This meaning is same. If we add 3 permission sets, if you see, we have added 3 permission sets, and the meaning of this is also same. To add this one, because 3 permission sets are combined in one permission set group. So basically this is how you can assign a person to a permission set group. So this is how it works here. This is the concept of permission set groups. And additionally, I will tell you few more things here. Let us search for permission set groups. So let's say if I added these 3 permission sets here in this group, and additionally I want to add few more access. So what we can do is we can add some new things here. Click on object settings, and this time we will give macros. Just make tab as available. I cannot see this one. Let's see assets. Okay, just go back. So this is only letting us to read the permissions, not the adding one. I'm sorry, I was mistaken. And the other concept that we would be going to learn is muting permissions. So basically what is a permission muting here? So permission set muting, PSM, M for muting permission sets. So if you remember, in a permission set group 4, we have added combinedly 3 permissions. three permission sets, which is PSG1, PSG2 and PSG3. So these three permission sets are giving access to three different objects or three different fields or three different types of access. So let's say if you want to mute some access, so let's say this PSG1 is giving access to account object and all fields. So now your requirement is this should mute, I mean you don't need to have access to all fields because two are very private. So on that case you have already given the permission set, so it will, however it will show. But if you want to edit them or mute them, you can do it through permission set groups. So this is what it is. Just click on, I will show you what exactly it is. Just click on here and then muting permissions. Just click on here and just click on here. So what kind of access you want to mute, you can write here. I mean you can configure here. So let me open this. And which one I'm going to mute? I'm going to open object settings. And you do not have access to here. Just go click on here. Campaigns. I remember we have given access to campaigns. Where is campaigns? Campaigns. Okay. Open campaigns here. For permission set group 3, I have given access to this one, read access to everything. Just click on here. And now when I add it as a permission set group, it should mute, meaning this entire thing would be muted. Or read should be muted, write should be muted. Whatever you want to mute, you can mute them in this way. Edit access can be muted, then only read access will work. So this is how you can mute a permissions. Adding permission sets. So the simple logic is adding permission set will improve the access. Muting permission sets will remove the access or mute the access when added cumulative as a permission set group. When added as a permission set group. So these are the concept, friends. So what we have discussed so far, we have created three permission sets, two as a clone and one as a new permission set. And next we have added those three permission sets to the permission set groups. And then we have muted a permission set group. And we have read about how to assign permission set groups to the users. So these are the three concepts we have covered here. These are the four concepts we have covered here. So what I recommend is just open your Salesforce instance, try to create multiple permission sets, add it to the permission set group, and then assign it to a user and try to mute the permission set. So in this way, it will be a good practice for you and it would be a good learning for you. And that's it for this video, friends. In my upcoming video, I would be sharing knowledge on other concepts of Salesforce admin. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye. Take care.